one area that I find really exciting is behavioral finance. And, you know, historically, we look at financial markets and we think everybody's spending a whole bunch of time and putting a whole bunch of thought into every action they take. And really what we learned out of the last couple financial crises is no, that's not what happens. People actually do a lot of trading and make a lot of big decisions based on emotion and based on what happens to be going on at the time, panic selling, if you will. And this program really addresses that type of selling and exactly how those types of trades take place, what influence they have in the market, and place you in a position where you could take advantage of that and you could figure out how to beat that sort of emotional selling and deal with it in a way that's reasonable. We actually address that in some of our coursework. You want to?
Yeah, in the both David and I teach a core course in behavioral economics that you will presumably want to take. And in that course, we do an experiment each week where you actually go into a computer lab with other students in the course and you participate in markets. And one of the most important experiments you would have a chance to do is what's called a bubble and crash experiment, where you actually get into a market competing with 23 or 4 other individuals buying and selling an asset. And we almost always get the price going way up and then crashing right at the end of the experiment. And after students have done this twice, they're just mystified. And some people figure out that, well, I can ride the bubble up and buy some additional stocks, and then when do I pick the time to sell before the crash occurs? And we talk about exactly how you figure that out in this class. And I get emails, and he gets emails from former students who said, I made a lot of money in this last crash. Thank you for teaching me. Thank you for putting me through this experience in real terms. And of course, we use emotion to explain how this occurs and how you can kind of beat the market.